Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert an audio recording to your note on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then select a note from the All Notes section, but you have the chance to create a completely new note by tapping on this icon down below in the right side of the screen. I'm going to select a note that already exists, so click on it, and now all you have to do is tapping on the microphone icon at the top of the screen. However, if you cannot access your microphone, all you have to do is going back to your home screen, open your phone's settings, scroll down to the privacy section, tap on it, find the option saying microphone, click on it, and then select the Notability application and turn on this option or this function by clicking on this button next to the app's name. Then go back to the app, tap on the microphone icon at the top, and you will be able to create your audio recording. And then if you are done with it, just simply press the same button in order to stop it. And as you can see, here is your recording that has been added to your note. You can see that it is an 8 seconds long audio recording, so you are able to listen to it by clicking on the play button. And if you tap on the settings, you can also select many features or aspects, such as you can turn on the note replay function, meaning that you will see your notes animate with the audio. You can also show transparent review of the animation, and select the voice boost by using this scale down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.